Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel Stunning Handwork Idea. Stunning Handwork Idea चैनल पर आप लोगों को वेलकम है, खुश आमदीद है. Today we brought very different crochet stitch pattern for you. Birds and animals easy counted crochet stitch patterns. Beginner free idea. So keep watching this beautiful video and enjoy. We're trying to bring every day better video, latest style and new design. So if you like handworking, crochet stitch patterns, crochet work and tutting work and other handwork, then you should subscribe my channel Stunning Handwork Idea, because we try to bring every day best thing, best handwork for you. So subscribe my channel, and this video is very beautiful, easy counted, beginner free idea. Like and share this beautiful video. And pigeon designs, parrot and other birds are in this video, very impressive and very beautiful. So keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. You are requested, not order. So I hope you understand my talking. My English speaking is not well because I am not European. I am Pakistani and I want to speak English because of my all the subscribers. So I hope you understand my talking. If you like any pattern in this video and you want to make crochet stitch embroidery yourself, then I will give you a very beautiful idea. Take a screenshot from this video, your favorite clip, and make yourself beautiful crochet stitch pattern. So now I want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and thanks again for your beautiful comments. Watch complete video. Now pray for you. Be happy forever. Take care yourself. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.